Last month, I examined a catastrophically failed engine from a 3-year-old sit-in. The owner had stretched oil changes to roughly 15,000 kilometers between services, despite the manufacturer's recommendation of 5,000 kilometers intervals. What I found inside was devastating. The camshaft lobes had worn down to nubs, varying surfaces were scored beyond repair, and thick sludge had clogged critical oil passages. This complete engine failure resulted in a $4,800 replacement, all preventable with timely $50 oil changes. This isn't an isolated incident. After 20 years of analyzing engine failures, I've seen this pattern repeatedly, and the science behind it is irrefutable. Engine oil performs 4 critical functions that many drivers don't fully appreciate. First and foremost, it provides vital lubrication between metal surfaces moving at incredible speeds. The film of oil between your engine's moving parts is often thinner than a human hair, yet it prevents catastrophic metal-to-metal contact. Second, oil carries away heat from combustion and friction, functioning as a crucial cooling system. Third, it cleans your engine by suspending and carrying away contaminants to the oil filter. Finally, oil neutralizes the acids created during combustion that would otherwise corrode your engine from the inside. Think of engine oil as both the bloodstream and immune system of your vehicle. It delivers life-sustaining nutrients while fighting off harmful invaders. Fresh oil is a marvel of modern engineering, a carefully formulated blend of base oils and additives designed for specific performance characteristics. However, from the moment you start your engine, this sophisticated fluid begins to degrade. Heat cycles break down the molecular structure of the oil, reducing its viscosity and lubricating properties. Combustion byproducts introduce carbon, acids, and moisture that contaminate the oil. Meanwhile, microscopic metal particles from normal engine wear become suspended in the fluid. The detergent additives that keep these contaminants in suspension become depleted, as do the acid-neutralizing additives. By 5,000 kilometers, your oil has undergone significant chemical and physical changes. The once golden fluid is darkened, its viscosity is altered, and its protective additives have been substantially consumed. Continuing to use this degraded fluid is like trying to wash your clothes in water that's already dirty. It simply can't perform its intended function effectively. When you drive with degraded oil, damage occurs incrementally and invisibly until it's too late. First affected are engine bearings, the precision machined components that support your crankshaft and connecting rods. These bearings rely on a microscopically thin film of pressurized oil to prevent metal-to-metal contact. As oil degrades, this critical film becomes compromised, allowing momentary contact that creates wear. The camshaft and valve train components suffer next, as they operate under extreme pressure with minimal lubrication. Piston rings lose their ability to seal properly against cylinder walls, reducing compression and allowing combustion gases to blow past. Most alarmingly, degraded oil forms sludge, a thick tar-like substance that clogs oil passages, restricting flow to critical components. This creates a vicious cycle. Restricted oil flow causes higher operating temperatures, which accelerates oil breakdown, creating more sludge. Eventually, this leads to oil starvation, where certain engine components receive no lubrication at all, resulting in catastrophic failure. Many drivers justify extended oil change intervals based on persistent myths. One common misconception is that modern synthetic oils can last indefinitely. While synthetic oils do perform better than conventional oils, their additives still deplete and they still become contaminated. Another myth is that if the oil looks clean or the oil life monitor hasn't triggered a warning, it's still good. In reality, many critical oil properties degrade without visible indicators, and oil life monitors are algorithmic approximations, not actual oil quality sensors. Perhaps the most dangerous myth is that manufacturer recommendations include a large safety margin, making them unnecessarily conservative. The truth is that these intervals are carefully calculated based on extensive testing to balance engine longevity with maintenance costs. They've already factored in a reasonable safety margin, and exceeding it deliberately removes that protection. Let's examine the financial logic. Regular oil changes at 5,000 kilometers intervals might cost approximately $50.80 each, totaling $300.480 annually for the average driver. Compare this to these potential repair costs resulting from extended oil change intervals. Engine bearing replacement, $1,500, $2,500. Camshaft replacement, $1,200, $2,000. Extensive sludge removal, $800, $1,200. Complete engine replacement, $3,500, $10,000. The cost-benefit analysis isn't even close. Regular oil changes represent the most cost-effective insurance policy for your engine. Even more compelling is the impact on vehicle lifespan and resale value. A properly maintained engine can easily exceed 300,000 kilometers, while neglected engines often fail before 150,000. Here's how to protect your vehicle with proper oil maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended change interval, typically 5,000 to 8,000 km, as your maximum limit. Consider your driving conditions. Frequent short trips, extreme temperatures, dusty environments, or heavy loads all warrant more frequent changes. Watch for warning signs: darkened oil on the dipstick, metallic smell, increased engine noise, or warning lights. Use the recommended oil grade and quality specified in your owner's manual. Keep detailed records of every oil change to track your maintenance history. The decision to change your oil every 5,000 kilometers is one of the simplest yet most consequential maintenance choices you can make for your vehicle. It represents the difference between an engine that provides reliable service for hundreds of thousands of kilometers and one that fails prematurely, leaving you with repair bills that dwarf any money saved by stretching oil change intervals. As an engineer who has witnessed countless preventable engine failures, I can assure you that this small investment of time and money yields remarkable returns in vehicle reliability, performance, and longevity. Your engine is a precision machine with thousands of components working in harmony. Give it the fresh, clean lifeblood it deserves, and it will serve you faithfully for many years to come. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.